So friends, first of all, check out this account. This guy has made AI photos with this type of happy emoji and uploaded them to his Instagram. And look at his views, brother. It's over 1 million. You also need to edit a video like this, so watch this video till the end. Let's start the video. First, you need to open Google AI and search for it. The first website that comes up will be Nord AI, so click on it. The website will open. If you skip the video, you won't be able to create the photo guaranteed. So, don't skip the video. If anyone has trouble logging in, check out my other video. I've given you the prompts. Just copy them. Now, I'll show you how to create an image with the first prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it in the box, then click on Generate. Once you click, scroll down a bit. It will generate 4 images at once. Now, it's taking some time, so wait a bit. And look, here are the images in real size. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aren't they cute? Now, how do you download them? Click on the image, and many options will appear below. There will be a download logo, click on that. The first image is downloaded. Download the second, third, and fourth images as well. Had pasted it, and if I now copy the second prompt, go there, and paste it again to generate. Then let's see what kind of pictures are coming out. The images are being generated here, so let's wait a bit here. So, here are the images. Now, it's taking some time, so wait a bit. And look, here are the images in real size. Your any video editing software. I use CapCut OpenVPN. Once you've done this, your images will be downloaded. Now, click on New Project. After clicking on New Project, go to the Photos section at the top. Add the 4 photos you downloaded here. Now I'll teach you how to edit the video. First, set each photo to 2 seconds. Then, click on the photo and go to Animation. Select the Zoom to option and set it to 0.2 seconds. Do this for all the photos. Then go back and go to the Effects option. Search for Video Effect and select the effect called Play Pendulum. Then, reduce the effect's intensity to 30, set the spin to 35, and set the sharpness to 70. Click Done. That's it. Your video is fully ready.